The quality of the mow, it makes your grass more dense. It suppresses weeds. It does all the good things that you want it to do. Hi, I'm Lindy Murph with Murff Turf Farms in Crosby, Texas. We grow about 4,500 acres of turf grass of about 9 different varieties. Currently at Murff Turf Farm, we run about 16 different Trimax mowers. We have 4 Vulcans that we've amassed over the last 3 years. And what we found, and the reason we want to buy more of the Vulcans at this point, is that when we're cutting our St. Augustine grass, that is a totally stoloniferous grass. It grows back from stolons only. So we leave a strip in the field. The rollers have put a little bit of pressure on those old strips of grass. The Vulcan relieves the pressure off of the old strips of grass, and we're noticing that we have a little bit quicker turnaround, not so much stress on that ribbon that we leave, and it's able to grow back across and cover a little bit faster. So the Vulcan has some features that are a little bit different than what we've had in the past. The ease of changing the belts. When you have a belt that gets loose, it's very easy to change them. You're not having to unscrew a lot of things. It's a simple spring-loaded system, and you can, boom, put a new belt on. That's great. Saves you a lot of time. Also, the greaseless spindles have been something that have been a bonus for us. I had some concern. It just makes you a little nervous not putting grease into the spindle when you've done that for 20 plus years. But we've got hundreds and hundreds of hours on them so far, and they've been working out just great. The cleanliness of the cut, the blade cutting that grass so clean, less injury to your turf grass blade, means you're growing grass faster. You have less injury to recuperate from. The plant is healthier, it does better. And that's one place where I feel like that blade tip speed, that deeper well, everything has given us a good return on investment because it's allowing our product to grow back in a faster fashion. So my mowing team really likes using the Trimax products. If I have competitors parked in the back, the Trimax are the ones that they choose to take out. And those guys generally are some of the best salespeople for Trimax, in my opinion, because they give me feedback on what they like, what they don't like, and they like the cut, they like everything about the Trimax. In fact, my farm manager told me just today that he's ready to get a whole new fleet of Vulcans and change over some of our older mowers. If you're gonna be growing turf grass, I think the Trimax is something that every turf farmer should really consider heavily. Not every turf farm cares about the quality of their product. Some people sell a premium grade, some people sell a lower grade. If you want a premium grade product, then Trimax is really something that needs to be considered because it gives you a premium product after you use it. If you're looking at improving your mowing capacity at your farm and you have an opportunity to demo the Trimax system, then you definitely need to give it a shot. If you want a premium grade product, you should get a demo from Trimax.